Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple for loop example. So I'm going to start off by creating a subroutine. I'm going to call it for loop range. Okay, and simply we're going to start off the for loop with 4. Then I'm going to put a number 1, and I'm going to go through to 15. In range of scalar num, which is the number here. Then I'm going to print it off using say, and a little message here, number is, and then the variable we created here to store the numbers, and all we have to do now is to call this subroutine. Save that and run it. Raku test.raku, that's the name of the program. Hit enter, and there you go. So we've started counting at number 1 here, and we've gone up to number 15 here. So we counted and we've gone all the way up to number 15, and you can see where we've said number is here. We've got it right there, number is. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that short example, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? I don't hand out invitations. It's the red and white button below. Make sure you hit it and give it a thumbs up as well. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.